Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. So I just have a little bit of an announcement that I wanted to make. I wanted to let you all know that I am running a giveaway over on my Instagram, and I will pop my handle right here. So if you just pop over to my Instagram account at this Lexington Life, you can enter to win a LipSense Rose Gloss. And I love this gloss because you don't have to wear it with LipSense color. So if you don't have LipSense already, you can wear it on its own. It has a little bit of a tint to it. I'll show it to you. So this is the Rose Gloss. And so our LipSense gloss has shea butter and vitamin E in it, and it's very hydrating and perfect for this time of year because you know how your lips, well, I don't know about you, but my lips get really dried out pretty much all year. So this time of year is really hard on them. So I'm really excited because I feel like this year with LipSense, I'm not going to be battling that as much. So yeah, this is up for grabs on my Instagram with all the details on how you can win this product. And I hope you will pop over there and check it out. I have a holiday sale going on in my VIP beauty group on Facebook. And I post in there probably about once a day, normally once or twice a day. And then right now I'm posting a little bit more for the sale, which I have a pretty good sale going on. So make sure to check it out. But if you join my Facebook beauty group, I'm not going to like hound you and like message you and try to get you to buy LipSense stuff. I just like to share tutorials and stuff in there and giveaways and things like that every now and then. So it's not super salesy. Like, I'm not gonna knock down your door to try to get you to buy something. So totally join and make sure you don't miss out on something though if you're interested in it, because I'm having so much fun learning about all of the products. I haven't really posted a video on here like explaining how I got into LipSense. It was actually sort of on accident. It was during a special promotion for signing up, and I just wanted the discount for myself. And then I started trying more products other than just the LipSense, like the color correcting tinted moisturizer and the under eye stuff. And I just started trying everything, and I was like, wow, like, you get what you pay for. Like, actually buying good quality products is a thing you should do if you want your skin to look good. So I'm loving all of the products, and now I am totally like a LipSense lady, and that's fine. I'm not, you know, messaging people that I don't know and saying, hey, you want to buy LipSense? It's not me, but I'm loving telling people about the product who want to hear about it. And that's the best part, I think, of finding something that you really like, is that you don't really have to sell it. It sells itself because you tell people about it, or they see it on you, or they say, what are you doing with your skin? Why does it look so good? And then they want it. So it's working for me. I'm having fun with it. I'm enjoying packaging up things and mailing it out and ordering super cute little kits like this. So I have a little bit in stock, and if you want to know of anything that I have in stock, you can always ask me. Especially you can direct message me on Instagram or Facebook. And then the holiday sale will end on Saturday, November 17th. So if you are interested in trying it or finding out what's on sale, make sure you pop over to my beauty group and make sure you enter to win on Instagram, which joining my beauty group is one of the entries. So I will talk to you all soon, and thank you so much for watching me ramble about LipSense. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. I don't talk about LipSense a lot, but I think I will start posting more beauty tutorials and sharing more about my current beauty routine because that has changed quite a bit. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, make sure you hit subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.